my name's Kayla Powers, and I'm currently a sophomore at the University of Toledo, majoring in biochemistry. Um, I'm originally from Cleveland, but I decided to attend the University of Toledo because I really liked their science department. I had the opportunity to meet with a chemistry professor before I made my decision to go there. And it was really good because she got to show me around the laboratories and where a lot of the science lectures would take place. And she was able to introduce me to some of the opportunities given to students. And I was able to look into a research lab. And it really drew me in at how the students were taking lead and responsibility in what they wanted to do and how they were pursuing their potential professional careers. We had a couple professors come in during my orientation class as a freshman, and I really liked that he talked about how when his students do research, it's their responsibility and they're taking lead, and that some students, even as undergrads, are able to be published in scientific papers as sometimes as third authors or second authors, which I think is really amazing opportunity that the university offers to students. Um, when I was meeting this professor before I came to Toledo, I also really liked the environment that there was there. A couple students passed by, a couple professors passed by us, and she had to be like, "Oh no, I can't talk to you right now because I'm introducing a potential student around." It was really nice to see that people knew each other and it was like a community there, and that welcoming environment stayed with me even when I came there as a student. It wasn't just towards the professor. Everyone was very welcoming, very accommodating, and they all wanted each other to do well. Like if you're struggling academically, there's tons of options for you to go to. There's tutoring at the Carlson Library. There's tutoring at our labs or at Bominati and Wolf Hall. And you can always talk to your professors. Everyone's been really open with communication. You can always talk to your TAs, even if it's not academically. I've had some really good conversations with professors about their research or their professional careers and how they got started and what they want to do. So that's really nice. One thing I really like about our department is the hands-on experience that you can get. This past semester, I was able to take organic chemistry lab, and as an undergrad, I was able to use the NMR instrument there, which is insane. I really love the instruments and equipment that we have available to students. And I'm really thankful to the university and our chemistry department for the measures that they took during the COVID-19 pandemic. I know a lot of universities had to shut down or weren't able to do labs or students weren't able to get that experience, but university took social distancing, took masks very seriously, and we were still able to go into lab every week and get that experience with um, testing chemicals and using the instruments and learning what it's like to be in lab and in that professional type setting. Um, Overall, I just really enjoyed my experience at the university. I've met a lot of friends in my chemistry classes and I've really enjoyed being there. And we get to do a couple special things like the first day of my orientation class, we were able to make liquid nitrogen ice cream, which was super fun. So there's always moments like that, even if it gets academically stressful, there's always stuff to do. But yeah, I really enjoyed being at Toledo and continue being there. Go Rockets!